Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide or unhide posts in Reddit. Now let's begin. Log into your Reddit account if you have not already. Once you have logged in, you will be greeted to a page such as this called the home page. Now let's scroll down. I want to hide this post. At the bottom end of this tab, you will find these three buttons. Next to save, simply click on those buttons. A new pop-up will open which shows show more posts like this, show fewer posts like this, hide and report. For now we have to click on hide as we want to hide this post. Let's click on it. Now the post has been hidden. That completes one part of our video. Now we want to unhide those posts. Now, let's go to our profile. On the top right, you will find your username. Simply click on it. A new tab will open and select the profile. On the profile menu bar, you will find something called as hidden. In here, you will see the posts that you have hidden. Now let's try to unhide it. If you look closely at the bottom end of every post that you have hidden, you will find something like unhide. If you click on the unhide button, the hidden post will be unhidden. Let's click on it. A new notification is prompted saying post unhidden successfully. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you hide or unhide posts on Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.